Welcome to Banff National Park and Chateau Lake Louise, a Fairmont property. This is a Lakeview 2-Queen suite, and we are happy to show our full room tour. My name is Jackie, CEO of Prince Adventures, and look at this mountain view from their Lakeview rooms. The rooms are petite, cozy, and have one bathroom to share amongst a max occupancy of 4 guests. We are a travel agency based in Canada, here to support your travels to Alberta. A great resort to stay at is the Banff Springs as well as Chateau Lake Louise, and we invite you to email us at travel@princeadventures.com for more information about planning your visit to Canada or visiting Alberta if you are from Canada itself. It's our pleasure to plan your itinerary, work on transportation details, and even enhance your stay with visits to nearby other hikes and lakes so you have an outdoors experience you're craving in this beautiful part of Canada. Don't forget to reach out today by email, travel@princeadventures.com, before you start planning so we can ensure you get all the Virtuoso amenities, compliments of us booking with you as a Virtuoso travel advisor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more travel inspiration.